In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the nation's favourite dish, a tikka masala. Now, the trick with a tikka masala is making sure you've got the tikka right. So that's what we're going to start with. So I've got 500 grams of diced chicken. I've actually cut it into strips there. I'm going to pop that in my mixing bowl. We're going to take a couple of tablespoons of the Tikka Masala Tarka sauce, add that into the chicken, save the rest of that sauce for later and give that a really good mix. You want to make sure that the chicken is well coated with the marinade, and then you want to leave that in the fridge to marinate for at least 1 hour. The chicken's been marinating for an hour, so I'm going to take that. We're going to pop it on the grill here. I'm going to get that grill nice and hot, and we're going to start laying these pieces of chicken down on the grill. Now we're going to close that and let that cook for about 7 or 8 minutes until that chicken's well cooked through, and then we're going to add that back into the curry sauce. That chicken should be nearly done now. We've got a lovely sear on there. Oh, it smells amazing. We're going to start by adding all of these chicken pieces straight into the pan. Ooh, a bit hot. So we're going to add the rest of the sauce from the jar that we kept. We're going to add that into the pan. We're going to add about half a jar of water. So that chicken is cooked. It's not going to release any more water while it's cooking. So you need to add a little bit more in the jar. Swirl that around and add that into the pan. And stir that well. And then bring it to the boil and let it simmer through for 2 or 3 minutes. So that's been simmering for about 2 or 3 minutes, and I'm going to check on it. Ooh, that looks absolutely amazing. Our tikka masala is now nearly done. We're going to add the last and final ingredient, about 50 grams of double cream. You can use single cream or any dairy-free alternative as well. Now we're just going to stir that in. Just going to bring that back to the boil, and then it's going to be ready to serve. And it's as easy as that. Homemade chicken tikka masala served with fragrant boiled rice.